During an emergency event, conditions can become stressful, complex, critical. A confusing fire alarm panel is the last thing you need. When lives and property depend on clear communication and concise system control, you need S3 from Gamewell FCI.
The S3 is a panel that is smart, elegant, and intelligent.
The S3 is an advanced, small, addressable fire alarm control panel, part of our intuitive smart technology series. It is the only fire alarm control panel on the market today that features a color touchscreen that is designed for simple human interaction. Intuitive, easy to program, smart.
It presents to you the information that's most critical, and when you walk up to it, it tells you what the situation is.
You're not walking into a dark room looking for a button on a panel.
Most fire alarm systems today offer rows of buttons, a myriad of switches, and very limited information on how to operate the system during an emergency, often resulting in anxiety and fear for the user.
Typically, the fire alarm system is kind of taboo to the public, if you would. They typically don't want to mess with it.
This was actually the first fire alarm control panel that we've developed and we think addresses one of the biggest issues that I saw during my visits out on the job site, and that fear is the fear of fire alarms.
The heart of the S3 is a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, delivering intuitive control when it matters most.
What you're seeing here is the latest technology in touchscreen. Today, people are so accustomed to using touchscreen technology.
The S3 offers straightforward operation, critical for facility managers and first responders.
They have to come in and react.
They don't want to get there and try to figure out which button does what.
The panel is very user-friendly and allows the fire department in an intuitive way to operate the panel.
The S3 only focuses on current events that are important at the moment, eliminating the confusion. No complex wires and buttons to figure out. The S3 was designed and built with real people in mind.
Just touch the screen, it'll pop up the menu. You can navigate to any of the functions that you need to do to perform in the site. A simple example would be a walk test. You can touch the walk drill button, entering your level 1 password, and you can do drill, audio walk test, or a silent walk test throughout the entire building. And to do a drill, you touch the on button and it puts the system into fire drill.
System expansion is done easily by plugging in a second SLC loop card, eliminating the need to remove or replace the system with new, expensive equipment. The S3 series uses just a twisted pair wire or fiber optics and easily communicates with our E3 system for mass notification and voice evacuation capabilities as well.
What excites me is the evolution of it and how it's changed into not just a fire alarm, but it's a structure that's used now to make people aware of any type of problem that they could have.
We want to have knowledge about the shooter, the severe weather, the hazardous material incident.
This panel is able to integrate carbon monoxide detection that other panels in this marketplace don't have that available.
Designed for small to mid-sized buildings, the S3 can operate as a standalone system that can retrofit into an existing system.
I can go to an older panel, take the stuff out of the old 7100, upgrade into this panel, and use the same back box.
And when you need to expand, the S3 is smart enough to grow with your business.
One of the things we want to address is to be able to grow from a smaller building to a larger building.
You have building blocks that you can put together as needed to meet the requirements of your job. One thing that we provide on this panel, which we haven't in the past, is a set of user-defined or customizable keys that the user can set up for specific functions that they need.
I can have a client that needs a door locked on the other side of a building, for instance.
The system will do the basic things that you expect a fire alarm system to do. And then the customization comes in on top of that.
The S3 series is future-ready with IP human interconnectivity.
By utilizing our built-in Ethernet port, you can instantly have information sent to various devices, whether it's a tablet, a cell phone, a computer, and these can all go out to different various people that need to monitor the fire alarm control panel at any time anywhere in the world.
When other fire alarm providers offer systems that meet minimal codes, Gamewell FCI exceeds NFPA standards, FM approvals, and UL listing requirement with their proven commitment to engineer products focused on human intuition.
Everyone I've worked with here understands the absolute necessity of quality and reliability in any fire alarm life safety system.
We're really interested in your life, the life of the people that are with you, your family, your workers, your business enterprise.
You want to make sure that it's going to work. It's going to be there when you need it.
I think we are setting a standard, and we're going to continue to drive innovation and technology. Being simple and elegant and intelligent at the same time is difficult to achieve, and basically gives us that and achieves that in a beautiful way.
Take the fear and confusion out of fire alarm protection. The S3. Smart technology today for a simple and safer tomorrow.